Wood in the arms industry. Wood has been a traditional material used in the arms industry for centuries. It has been used for the production of gun stocks, bows, arrows, spears, and other weapons. In fact, until the 19th century, wood was the primary material used for gun stocks. The use of wood in the arms industry is still prevalent today, but it has largely been replaced by synthetic materials, such as polymers and composites. However, some gun enthusiasts still prefer the feel and look of a traditional wooden stock. Wood has several advantages as a material for gun stocks. It is strong, durable, and can be shaped and carved easily. It is also relatively lightweight, making it a good choice for weapons that need to be carried over long distances. Additionally, wood has a natural aesthetic that is highly valued by many gun enthusiasts. However, wood also has some drawbacks when compared to synthetic materials. It is more susceptible to damage from moisture, temperature changes, and impacts. It can also be more difficult to maintain and repair than synthetic materials. Overall, while wood is no longer the dominant material in the arms industry, it still has a place in the market, particularly for those who value tradition and aesthetics.